Today, guys, I'm gonna be playing crazygames.com. But what game should I play? Ooh, wait, what? Okay. I know a game that we can play. List 48. This. Okay. When he wins, yeah. I am the fastest. Let's get this lava egg. To open. No egg. I don't have enough. Okay. How is that tolerance? Let's do this and then Pikachu! Come on! Yeah. Seriously? Let's keep Wait! How did it change? It was 59. How? Cool pet. What if I do this? Look, guys. Alright, just one last thing. Boom. And then boom. Okay, guys, I switched games. I may have switched games, but look at what I built. Da-da-da-da. So here, this is a maze. I forgot where to go. So let's find it. Wait, what is this? This is the easiest maze ever. How could you fail? Oh, I almost forgot I put this here. No. This way. Wait, I found it. I want to make it more impossible. So let's just boom, barricade this. Let's make another entrance to the exit like this. Boom. And boom. Final things. Boom, boom. Wait, no. Boom, boom. And then bomb. Boing. Could the sheep could the sheep escape this. No! Go to the other entrance. Go, go, go. Go to the other entrance. Go, go, go. You need to go to the other entrance. So, let's let you get to the other entrance. Holy smokes. Look at this sheep. So dumb. No matter what, this sheep won't find the exit. Oh wait, it just found it. Okay. Yeah, this is the easiest maze in fake Minecraft. So, this was supposed to be an army of dogs. Let's check out this. This place was built for a whole armies for dogs. Look at this prison. There's no prisoner. Wait, one prisoner. What you may ask, what did he do? He trespassed. Okay, you're free to go, mister. Not. Okay, you're free to go. Get out. Why are you looking at me like that? You are scaring me. Mr. Pig? Mr. Pig, you can get out now. Not the bed! Oh my god. I have to clean this. There we go. Boom, boom. I cleaned it. Now let's do I don't want to wake up. It's too early in the morning. It just takes. Wait. Better. Wait, no. Sleep. The other. Is no, I don't wanna. Fine. Okay, let's go. Let's get the dogs here. Let's make this flag. Let's make the flag first. What flag should it be? Blue, diamond. Whoa, I like the color blue and green and red. Okay, so make the flag big as heck. But first we got to place the pole first. So let's get it. Big. Oh, that's my parents talking. My parents are Cambodian. So, flag is finally done! Yo, this looks cool! Okay. So you guys wondering, what the heck is this? This is not a light bulb. This is sun. Yeah, It's not a sun. Yeah, you guys know. Yellow. Orange. That looks perfect. Now, is there any glowing orange light? I know one. I know one. This is gonna take a while. Unbelievable. Alright guys, I'm done. Let's see. Wait, I'm searching for something. This. Get this thing and then make it glow. Yes. Okay. So here are the layers. Layer 1. The surface. So this is the surface of it. Ah! Okay. So this is the surface of it. Okay. And look at that flag. Wait, let me make it glow real quick. Just take a rest. Your best finger away, I'll be your servant. Just take a rest and you'll make into dreams like my fire and everything. I dream anything. So this is the first layer. Second layer, revealing redstone. We get to the core of it. So this is the core of it. Looks fine. And if we get deeper, we finally get to the last core of it. The original core. Wait, let me spell that. I don't know how to spell core, so I just spell the core. The core. So this is all of it. Thank you guys for watching. I will make a part 2 soon. But thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Like and subscribe to this video if you like this video. Bye bye. Wait, no, not that one. This one.